Oh boy, after all these years of watching Krusty the Clown on TV,
We finally get to meet Krusty the Clown in person.
you know, I base my whole life on Krusty's teachings.
Wow, the glamorous world of TV.
Oh, you gotta be kidding. How can they expect a genius like Krusty to work in a dump like this?
Hi, boys and girls. Come on board the Krusty the Clown show.
Krusty sure looks different in person.
No way is that Krusty. Krusty's a real clown. That's just some lumpy old dude in a clown suit.
And Chunky the Pig. But first, let's pay a visit to some of Krusty's loyal kitty cadets. And what's your name, little girl? And what's your name, little boy?
I'm Bart Simpson. Who the hell are you?
Why, I'm your old pal, Krusty.
Oh yeah? Then what's Krusty's secret motto?
Instead of feeling sad and blue, keep a Krusty smile on you.
Listen, pal, I don't know how you found out Krusty's secret motto, but you're still an imposter. Kids in TV land, you're being duped.
Why, you little